Hi guys, it's Michelle and Blessed in the Mess. It's a mess again. It's Saturday morning. I'm rocking my bun and I'm ready to go. Feeling good. Very little pain this morning, so I'm gonna rock right through this. We got just a mess. Blankets, toys. I'll show you this right here. This is a recliner and it ended up being the catch-all of the week. So everything's piled in here. Bags from the week, workloads from the work stuff from the week, empty bottle of laundry. I gotta put my final nativities away because January 6th, the day of Epiphany, has come and gone. So come along with me. I'm just gonna put some music on and clean along with me. This is gonna be a quick little video, just a little sprucing up in fast motion. So I'm blessed in my mess and I hope you are too. Come on to the other side with me. This, well, I decided not to do fast motion yet. I'm going to show you guys some stuff that helps with the RA pain, the autoimmune, and some autoimmune stuff. So this, I wear this to work. It's an ankle brace, and it helps my ankle feel tight. Got it on Amazon. It was less than 20 bucks. This is my back brace. Some days I wear it, some days I don't, but true, an Amazon find. I don't remember how much it was when I got it. It was recommended by my doctor. So there's two RA accoutrements that I'm using, and then, oh, here's another one. It needs to be put away. And this is a cool little device I got for Christmas from somebody. You put your foot in it, power it on, and it heats up and it vibrates your ankle. So this is really good for my ankle pain. Just wanted to show you a few little things. And then I got some books that I'm going to be doing another video on. I dug them out. I mean, I had them, but I dug them out. This is a great one. The Glucose Goddess Method, and it's to help your sugar, get you off sugar and carbs. So we'll go over that one in another video. This is a good one. It's healing arthritis, another naturopathic. It talks about leaky gut and candida and how that causes, eventually, if you sustain it long enough in that state, you will get autoimmune. And this was a neat book I pulled off the shelf that I've had for many years, Nutrition and Health of the Bible. And it talks about what they ate in the Bible, the lifestyles in the Bible, how we can apply God's original design for our bodies from the Bible to today. So yeah, so I show you those few things, and now we're gonna get to the cleaning. So
wash away from my heart this pain. Let the rain fall down and wash away my heart. Found its broken way to the hills where the sun shine all day. My soul cried out for the healing rain to fall down. My soul.
okay, so that was a blitz. I mean, it took me 10 minutes. I got her all done. Now moving on to the next room, because I took a bunch of stuff from this room and set it in another room. Whoop! Gotta get my Fabuloso bottle. My cat, there's a cat outside, and they're stalking each other. All right, guys, come on with me to the other room. All right, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on. I've been using a lot of probiotics because it's really good for inflammation. So instead of buying probiotic yogurt, I decided to make some in the Instant Pot. And it came out super good. Like, you can see how thick it is. And this is prebiotic homemade yogurt. It's real simple. You just need milk. You need about a fourth to a half a cup of actual yogurt, plain whole milk with live active cultures. and you can make your own yogurt in the crock pot. So that's what I've been doing today. I'm going to be making yogurt, some keto bread, and a cabbage soup because that is full of great stuff, those three things. And I'm going to have invite my mom over for some soup and low-carb bread. I don't know if she's going to like it, but I am, so I got to get to this mess. Not too bad, just some dishes that need to be loaded. Everything else looking okay. So if you're interested in talking more about prebiotics, then let me know, because I can definitely post how to make it, how to use it, and how to get rid of candida. All right, guys. Thanks. See you on the other side of this clip. All right, guys. I wanted to show you how my yogurt come out. It's very thick, and it came out pretty damn amazing. Now, this is plain, whole milk, probiotic yogurt. And I'll use it for a variety of things. I can go sweet with it, and I can go savory with it. Dips, use it in base for different recipes. And then you can also make sweet things. Add sweeteners and use it in different recipes. Or if you're real tough, you could eat it straight up. But it's pretty good. And this looks actually like a really good batch. So this is homemade, live culture yogurt. I'm going to be putting it in the fridge. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. It was in my Instapot. If you don't have an Instapot, you need one. They are fantastic for all kinds of things. Instapot and an air fryer. Yep. Couldn't live without it. Of course I could live. Life would be a lot harder though. Alright guys, I'm going to take it back in the bedroom because a lot of the stuff from the living room ended up there. Alright, meet you on the other side.
Rain to fall down. The tears he shed that day were the healing rain that my soul needs to mend my broken heart and wash away.
Hey guys, well, I'm done with the tidying for now. I accomplished my goals on that level. Living room looks good, bedroom's pulled together, kitchen's ready to cook and meal prep. So I'm going to be going on to some meal prep, but that's going to be a different video. So if you're interested in what keto or low carb bread machine bread looks like, because I am, I've never done it, I'm going to be doing it. We'll pull my old bread machine out. We're going to go for it. And if you want to know what this concoction is for, my bone broth, healthy for you, and how I'm going to use that to make antimicrobial probiotic dinner. So if you're interested in any of that crazy stuff, I'll see you guys a little later, but thanks for watching. If you got this far with me, I appreciate you so much. And as always, see you on the next one. And be blessed in your mess, because I'm blessed in mine by the grace and the mercy of God. All right, guys. See you next time.